First time namin makakuha ng libreng flowers sa isang food restaurant. Check this video out and find out for more. This video is dedicated to one of my best friends, Kim. Thank you for having us here and happiest of the birthdays. And if you're new here to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to this travel and lifestyle channel, Only Travel PH. Without further ado, marami tayong mga topics na pagdadaanan. But I think first topic na dapat natin i-discuss is bakit nga ba itong lugar ang pinili natin? May advertisement na nag-pop up kay Kim and this advertisement guided her to go to the 59 Flower Cafe located in Makati. And tamang-tama birthday niya din and she wanted to celebrate it with some close friends. So dito na po tayo sa venue and if you notice, this is kind of a very unique experience and location because not only is it a food restaurant but there are also flower arrangements. So this is very exciting because every single place is very Instagrammable. So lahat ng lugar na nakikita nyo is a place wherein you can really check it out and go to, and lahat ng lugar talagang ang daming beautiful places, no? Since mostly girlies ang kasama, this is the perfect birthday place to celebrate. Our next topic right now will be the venue location, ambience, and aesthetic. Actually, there are certain times na nadadaanan ko talaga tong restaurant na to dahil mabilis lang naman siya makita at saka one of the main streets siya, itong 59 Flower Cafe. So, minsan curious nga ako makita kung ano nga ba ang nandito and what they have to offer. And yun na nga, very thankful naman to have this experience. And ang chika kwento ko sa inyo, I heard na bakit siya pinangalan na 59, it's because nasa 59 street siya. Ang joke pa nga ng mga tao sa akin, paano na kung nag-branch out sila? Di kailangan yung street name ulit nila na sa number 59. Pero kidding aside, sobrang mailiwalas at saka talagang very bright ang perception dito kahit na hindi ganun kalaki yung lugar. Tapos tingnan nyo to, at the back portion, meron ka pang pwede na private place na pwede mong gamitin for your birthday parties. Dito na nga tayo, papasok tayo dyan. And look at this Instagrammable area. I'm telling you, each location, each side is a place na pwede kang mag video, Instagram, ayun po. And they also have different pastries and cakes aside from the usual cafe food ha. So talagang all around siya. And yun na nga guys, we celebrated the birthday of Kim here and this is a place na hindi ka mapapahiya in terms of the celebration. Meron pa sila different crowns that you can try to wear para naman maganda talaga yung occasion. And take a look at that. This is the entrance to the venue and I tried to capture everything na Instagrammable, beautiful, but it was not very difficult because each place is something na maganda talaga. So in terms of looks, this is the best flower place in Makati. Next, we have the freebies and special surprise. We decided to dress up in our best flower dresses and outfits because naman para ma-fit siya to the theme of the Flower Cafe. our efforts paid off naman because pagdating namin sa venue, tagaktak ng dami ng mga bulaklak. And we were surprised because sa order pa lang ng appetizers, biglang may nag-approach sa amin na waiter and then sinabi nila na this is for you, this is for you, this is for you. So talagang all of us ladies binigyan ng bulaklak. Sabi nga ng guy friend namin na kasama namin, ako, wala. As a joke lang naman guys, no? So ayun guys, come as you are, come as a lady, and you will get a flower from what I understand. Our next topic of the day is the choice and occasion. Bakit nga ba napili yung 59 Flower Cafe as a place to meet up? Siguro, let's start with the addresses of where the people live. Some of us live in the south, some of us live in the north, and even others nakatira sa province. So for me, which I love Kim for this, pinili niya ang Makati as a meetup venue. And for me, Makati is the heart of it all and a place that a lot of people can gather together and meet up. It's a city center. Aside from that, another important aspect to know is that birthday ni Kim ang sineselebrate natin dito. So this is a time and a place wherein a lady is growing up and we wanted a place na for us din naman, for us ladies to enjoy and to feel beautiful. Kasi naman, the flowers makes us feel fresh and makes us remember our delicate self. Another thing I would like to point out is 59 Flower Cafe, yung mga ads na ginagawa nyo, worth it din somewhat because si Kim, she found this cafe using the advertisement that you put out there. So, nag-pop up sa page niya and that is why she chose this cafe. And this is where we celebrated her birthday. Without further ado, guys, we move on to one of the most important aspects of my video, which is what this cafe is all about. It's not just about the flowers, it is also about the food. So, syempre, yung main topic natin dito is what is the food and is it worth it to go here for the food? So, we focus now on the food. First of all, in terms of pricing, okay naman siya because ang average prices dito range from, let's say, 250 pesos to 350 pesos per meal. So, hindi naman ganon ka mabubutas ang wallet natin, no? And in terms of the choices of food, meron mga hits and meron din mga misses. Like let's check out this sausage, no? So, for some reason, I've been craving for Hungarian sausages for today. And yun na nga yung in-order ko in this cafe. And siguro ang best bet natin is wag nyo i-order yung Hungarian sausage niya because how can I put this, guys? Medyo bland yung taste ng sausage itself and in terms of crunchiness, hindi siya ganon ka-crunchy. But we move on to the other food which is meron naman mga hits natin, no? So first off is this beautiful vongole. The vongole, guys, I tasted the pasta niya and it is very good for me. Medyo al dente naman siya, so in terms of that, it is good. And then, the appetizers also, oh my gosh, ilan pabalik-balik ako doon sa nachos nila because not only does it look super good, it also tastes good, guys. So, ayun, pagdating dito sa mga nachos niya, if you notice, meron pang mga little flower aesthetic na pwede din siya kainin. Ayan guys, yung violet na itsura, those are flower petals. And yes guys, I ate them. However, the flower petals does not taste like anything. So, it's just para lang sa masabi natin sa experience na nakain nga natin siya. In terms naman guys of the Caesar salad, Okay naman siya. Okay naman yung Caesar salad. I'm not a fan of the dressing so much, but okay naman. However, I am a big fan of the bread, guys. For some reason, their garlic bread tastes really good. So those are some of the different foods that I was able to taste and enjoy. Ito naman yung mga in-order ng some of my other friends. They have these pasta din naman, and then this different beef, salpicao if I'm not mistaken, or chicken. But look at that, may choice ka of whether potatoes ang side dish mo or rice. So that's something to look forward to. We also have this breaded pork dish and it looks delicious as well. So those are the different things that we had. Next on my topic list today is the location and parking, the accessibility review niya. So here we are in 59 Flower Cafe, guys, and this is located in 59 Paseo de Rojas, Makati. By the way, one of the most important things na kailangan nyo malaman regarding this cafe restaurant is regarding the parking. So, come early because there are actually only 2 parking slots. Yes, dalawa lang po ang parking slots. We had to park at the back of the 2 cars. So, perhaps best magpa-drop off. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much, guys. And now, we're going to reveal the final verdict. Kumbaga, worth it ba talaga to go to this place, this 59 Flower Cafe? And is this something that you should go to, no? So, ta-ta-ta-ta! Yes, guys, this is a place naman na very good, especially for special occasions for the special ladies, no? Actually, worried nga ako na hindi siya ganon ka pinupuntahan because it is a Saturday and there were maybe 4 people, separate people na nag-lunch. But I'm telling you guys, this is a worth it place to go to. Sana lang, sometimes may mga misses doon sa food choices, but medyo mura naman yung mga prices niya from 250 to 400. So, baka worth it naman siya, no? In terms of water din pala, guys, yung water natin, paulit-ulit tayo nagkakarga because water is life. And this freebie na flower that each lady gets, wow, it just makes our heart melt. So thank you guys for watching this extensive video regarding the Flower Cafe, 59 Flower Cafe, and I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next travel and lifestyle video, and let me know if you've gone to the 59 Cafe and other places that you want to go to next time.